Marty in the lab, so it's crazy.
So if your Babyliss clipper is being extremely loud like so, you want to replace the blade. So for this particular clipper, it'll be the 802G blade. If you have a different Babyliss clipper, you got to get that same blade it came with. But more than likely this white part that's on the cutting blade, it's worn out. So over time it'll loosen up, it'll get damaged, so you got to replace it. First things first, 2 screws out. And make sure you're holding that blade nice and tight because you got 2 springs in there that'll push the blade out. So these are the 2 springs I was talking about. Oh, and also make sure you take this time and clean your clippers, guys. Clean your money makers, because I know a few barbers out there that don't be cleaning their shit, and that's pretty nasty. I cleaned mine earlier. I wish I had an air duster, but you gotta work with what you got. This is actually my second time replacing this blade. I want to say that first time lasted me like 8 to 10 months, I think, something like that. Pretty long time though. So at this time, go ahead and line up the 2 springs on the 2 holes and make sure it's on there. Give it a nice little push. Once you have your cutting blade on there, go ahead and grab your other blade and slap it on there. Go ahead and press it down and put your 2 screws back in. Don't tighten up your screws all the way just yet. Use this time to adjust your blade and just make sure your cutting blade is not passing your clipper blade, or else you'll be nicking clients like that. You definitely don't want that.
Marty in the lab, so it's crazy.
And just like that, you're back in business. Yes, sir. Alright guys, that was it for this video. If it helped you out, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, help out other barbers out there that need help. This is something new to me, something I want to start doing. I want to share my knowledge with you guys, share what I know with haircut tutorials, haircut videos, clipper reviews, things of that nature. So if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, let me know and I'll get to it. But yeah, knuckle up, bless up, peace.